What's up, y'all? So as promised, I'm gonna give you a tutorial on how to keep your books in order and bookkeeping with Wave. Okay, first I'm gonna start with Wave and I'm gonna do another one with QuickBooks. All right, so let's get right into it. I'm gonna share my screen. All right, so first I'm gonna go ahead and create an account. All right, so tell us about your business. I'm just gonna put test. All right, so it starts off when you first get registered. They ask you what you want to achieve today, and they have these 3 different options for you. I'm going to bypass that and just go straight to accounting, and we're going to go to chart of accounts. Okay, so we want to set up our chart of accounts first. The chart of accounts is basically a way of categorizing different accounts that your money is spent out of, or that you put money into. Like, for example, they already have a few accounts in here. Okay, so like accounts receivable is one account. All right, then if you go to liability, let's go to income. So consulting income, sales income, those are all accounts. Okay, if you go to expenses, accounting fees, advertising, promotion, it's based all of the different categories and ways of categorizing your transactions. That's what the chart of accounts is. Okay, so for example, we would go to income. And you notice here they already have sales, and it says payments, and the description for sales, it says payments from your customers for products and services that your business sold. Well, I don't like to categorize my product sales with my service sales because I want to be able to look at my my reports and see what revenue is my products bringing in, which revenue is my services bringing in. Okay, so I feel like the more accounts you have, the better. So instead, I'm going to go in and I'm going to click edit this account. And I'm going to call this product sales. All right, click save. Then I'm going to create a separate, actually, let's edit that as well. So click on edit account ID and description. All right, then I'm going to come down and click save. Then next I'm going to create a new account. Then we'll just call this one sales. Okay, the other one was product sales and we'll call this one sales. And this will be income from service provided. All right. And so now you have product sales and you have sales. Okay, now let's just say you create a third stream of income and you guys start offering, let's just say you create a YouTube channel for your service business and you guys record, let's say you do strip and waxes if you have a cleaning company and you guys start recording your strip and wax jobs. Well, we're going to call this AdSense revenue, okay? Because Google will pay you to post videos on YouTube when they put ads on your videos if you get a certain amount of views, okay? All right, so we're going to call that AdSense revenue, okay? Just in case you guys start recording videos and you start generating money from that, all right? So now we have 3 ways to generate money. All right, now I want to go to expenses. All right, as you can see, they got a list of expenses already there for you. And if you come down to payroll expenses, you see they have regular payroll expenses, right? But what if you were like me and you had subcontractors working for you or 1099 workers instead of employees? Well, you can come here to cost of goods sold. I will categorize that as cost of goods sold and then put contractor pay. If you think of any more categories that you want to add later, you can just add them at any time, all right? So now we can go back to the dashboard. And as you can see, once we start entering income and expenses, it'll show right here in our dashboard, the cash flow. Okay. So let's go ahead and start entering. Let's try entering an invoice first. Okay.